What is up, guys? I hope you all are doing great, and the topic of today's video is how to add a voiceover to Canva videos. So Canva is a powerful editing software. They also provides us the opportunity to interact with videos inside of this platform. So let's say we want to add a voiceover to one of our videos created in Canva. So how can we do this? Basically, I'm going to create this video from scratch, and let's only add one text, which is called like tutorial. Why not? So let's say we have some sense here and we want to add a voiceover. How can we do this? Basically, we have three ways of how can we interact with our own voice on Canva. And the first way is just to go to uploads, then go to audios in this folder here, and all we need to do is just to upload our own voiceover. We record it with like another app. So for example, on MacBook we can easily do it with a QuickTime Player pre-installed app. On the Windows you can also try to use some in other apps to record your voice. So now all we need to do is just to drag and drop it on our timeline, and as you can see, now we can easily interact with our voiceover. So it's not like voiceovering in Canva, it's like only about editing your voiceover in Canva. So we can easily adjust something, add some audio effects, manage volume, duplicate track, or delete track. So unfortunately, this is the first way. So not that like easy to understand. The other way of how can we voice over it in Canva is like going to uploads, going to audio, and now just simply click on record yourself. So we'll come to our studio, and from this page here we can easily add the voiceover. So here I suggest you to click on camera in this window in the right top corner, then just choose no camera. And the next thing, we need to select our microphone. So I'm going to use this microphone here I'm creating this video with. And the next step we need to do is just to click on record, and in a few seconds we'll be able to add the voiceover. So now, hello guys, this is a video about how can we add a voiceover on Canva. So we can pause it if we need to add some more sense. So I suggest you to create basically the text you are going to voiceover, because it will be hard for you to create it while you are like voiceovering. There is no like option to, for example, pause, then delete something, then once more try to re-voice over. So this is the only one way, unfortunately, in Canva. So when everything is done, we can simply click on resume to continue creating the voiceover, or we can click on done. Also, we can delete and try it to create from scratch, but we will delete every single part we created in this like studio. So let's click on done. And now all we need to do is just to click on save and exit. And basically our voiceover will be added to videos folder right up here, and it will be right up here. So now it will be added to the wall video like this. So I suggest you to resize it to make it the last size if it's necessary, and try to hide it somewhere, maybe to the corner. Basically, it's also like one more hack of how can we voiceover on Canva, only with this studio here. So in this case, we can also interact. We can click on more. We can do copies, copy style, paste, duplicate, delete, show timing command, and detach video. So for example, if you want to make it like this. And the last way of how can we voiceover on Canva is that we can simply go to share in the right top corner. So if everything is okay, you can even download this video here. So just simply click on download and then just download. But if you want to try it voiceover in the third way, we need to click on share. And then we need to click on more on these three dots. And from this page here, we need to click on present and record. So if you'll click, we'll see how will it look like. So basically the same way as in the studio, but let's go to recording studio now. So from this page, we need to click on camera and choose no camera option. And the same way, we need to select the necessary microphone right up here. Then just simply click on start recording, and in a few seconds everything will be done. So now we can voice over once more. Hello guys, it's like the same tutorial of how can we add the voiceover on Canva. So as you can see, we can also like click on pause, we can click on resume, or when everything is done, we can just simply click on done right up here. And now as you can see, they're uploading our recording, so all we need to do is just to wait. And now we can share this video with anyone, and it will be voiceovered as in this page here. Or we can just simply click on download, and this video will be successfully like transferred to the basically to the video, and we'll be able to download it. So as you can see, now the process began, but compared to the second method, it's unavailable to maybe try to voice over once more. So we have only one attempt, and as you can see, it was successfully uploaded to my computer. So according to me, the best way is to voice over on Canva is just to create a voiceover in some other programs and only add them inside as a file. So go to uploads, audio, and then just upload file. For me, this is the easiest variant, so we can edit, we can try to voice over if it's necessary, or do some other stuff. The next way, the next stage of how can we do is just recording yourself right up here, as you can see. And as for me, the hardest way, and it's not like good and not that useful, is that we can go to share, click on more from this page here, and then just use the present and record option. So these are the only three ways of how can we add the voiceover. And when everything is done, all we need to do is just to click on share in the right top corner, click on download, and then just choose the necessary format, MP4 of course, and then just click on download. So now our video will be successfully operated and uploaded to our computer. And these are the only way. So in the same way, we can easily create different videos. We can easily create different presentations. So as for me, presentations are the most suitable format as for these ways of voiceovering. Maybe you'll have some other formats you try to voice over in this way, but as for me, the most suitable are presentations. So we don't even have to add the script, because we can write something on our slides and then we can just simply read while presenting or while voiceovering. So this is a way of how can we add a voiceover on Canva. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.